Moving on to item 8B2, report regarding facilities maintenance and operations projects. Dr. Gonzalez.
Yes, sir. This is a monthly report from our Facilities Maintenance and Operation Department. Dr. Bia Ruben Trevino are here to guide us through this month's projects, and there's no action required on this item.
Thank you, sir.
Good evening, everyone, and we've got Mr. Trevino here at the podium, so we'll go ahead and get started.
Good evening. I'm here to report on the projects that have been completed for the month of March and early April. Some of the completed projects by FMO on the HVAC department include the chiller compressor motors at Castañeda Elementary, wall mount units installed in two different portables at Mackay. Memorial High School, several fan motors have been replaced, and the district-wide preventive maintenance and belt replacement with controls reprogramming continues district-wide. On the electrical section, we have hand dryers that are being replaced, going campus by campus, checking them all. Escandón Elementary had electrical work for some upgrades in the cafeteria area for some ovens that were installed. We also are replacing district-wide ballasts. Plumbing, we had a water heater installed at Mackay concession stand, a tennis court area, De Leon Middle School, water fountains and cafeteria, replaced solenoid valves and flush meters district-wide as our plumbing department's going by campus, along with a water heater over in the special education section at Memorial High School. Some of the other ongoing projects at the different campuses, Escandón Elementary has already been started on the playground equipment replacement. Alvarez is beginning this week, and then Bonham, Roosevelt, and Seguin to follow the schedule. Garza Elementary security entrance upgrade, that is nearing completion. Visited that campus today, and
Trustee Saliba.
yes.
Thank you, Mr. Trevino. I'm sorry to interrupt. You got a good cadence going, but you know, some discussions have taken place this evening and decisions were made to start us in the direction. Bonham, if that facility does not need certain equipment that you're putting in there now, can it be repurposed to another campus? And
Yes,
if
sir.
So what's your?
At this point over at Bonham Elementary, the playground equipment that is going in that is in the city playground area. However, we do have a 60-ton chiller that's ordered, has been ordered, should be delivered here in the next couple of weeks. And the question was brought up a couple months ago, that chiller could be repurposed and used in another campus.
I mean, we got to continue to run the business, and everybody
Yes.
needs to be comfortable and have all the educational needs in the facility. But if there are some things in some campuses as we go forward, they can be repurposed to
Yes, sir.
other facilities.
Yes, sir.
All right,
Absolutely.
thank you. Thank you, Mr. President.
Yes, sir.
The Garza Elementary security entrance upgrade has been completed. We're pending two data drops to begin the moving of the front office staff into the new area. And Rayburn Elementary is in the same stage right now, pending the two drops, and we can begin to move staff already in there. Ongoing projects, we've got Garza Elementary roof replacement, which is now completed. We are working on the punch list items with the contractor to get presented. Construction fence is out there. It'll be removed today as well. Met out there with the contractors this morning. Gonzalez Elementary contracts have been signed for the project for the roof replacement, and we're expecting a pre-construction meeting here in the next days to follow.
Excuse me, Mr. President.
Trustee Saliba.
Thank you. These two roofs, specifically, well, both of them, which one of them, if any, came out of the hail loss?
Both?
Okay. Are these the last remaining roofs to be paid for
No,
under
sir.
hail loss?
We have Rayburn. We have a competitive seal proposal that is due this Friday for the entire Rayburn roof, and then the Lincoln campus will follow after that.
And that will complete it, those, or
For now, yes.
are there any more afterwards?
We have Navarro also on the list, and we're looking at a couple of other campuses as well.
But from the hail loss settlement?
From the
all of them?
hail, we should be pretty much done with Navarro.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr.
Yes, sir.
fire alarm projects that the proposals have been submitted already, and we are just pending the approval from the fire marshal's office, are for the complete fire alarm replacements for Alvarez, Lamar, Lincoln, and admin and HR buildings. We also have camera and intercom replacements going on at this time. Lincoln Middle School cameras and intercom project began a week ago, and the McHigh cameras are completed now. We're just pending the substantial completion certificate so that the contractor can start his punch list items within 30 days to finish. On bid right now, competitive seal proposals. We received proposals on Friday of last week for the fine arts facility upgrades for all three. We also received proposals for the Rowe High School air handler replacement project as well. We have Brown Middle School proposal due this Thursday, along with Escandon, Bonham, Jackson, for the paving upgrades at those campuses. The Rayburn roof I just mentioned is due on Friday of this week as well. Fossa Middle School safety fence is due Friday morning as well this week. And we also have several intercom replacements that are due on Friday, beginning at 1:30, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, and 4 o'clock in the afternoon for Jackson, McHigh, Bonham, De Leon camera and intercom upgrades.
I'm sorry, just to clarify.
Trustee Alvarado.
On the Fossa Middle School safety fence, is that the project that we're getting some additional funding?
This is the project that is being funded by the TxDOT
Okay.
dollars that came in that we were directed to install the safety fence along the Ware Road side.
Thank you, sir.
Next slide. For the month of March, we had 1,015 work orders submitted by the different campuses, 962 of them completed. And I believe this concludes my report.
Do we have any comments, questions for Mr. Trevino?
No, sir.
Actually, I have one, sir. Fossa median disappeared over the weekend, I'm assuming. The median right in front on Trenton. That's not ours, obviously. I guess that's the city of McAllen's.
City of McAllen was working on it on Friday, and there were some questions brought up on that already, and we will follow up to see what are the plans at this time.
So they didn't communicate with us whatsoever when they just removed, I mean, the cement median, the arrows, the entire. Okay.
We were not told.
Okay. Just wanted to make sure.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.